In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get job as a graphic designer. If you want to land a graphic design job, the first thing you need to do is build a strong foundation. Start by learning the basics of graphic design, including composition, typography, color theory, branding, layout, and visual hierarchy. These are the core skills that help your work look polished, professional, and effective. Next, get comfortable with popular design tools. A great place to start is with Canva, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and Figma. You do not need to master everything at once, but you should understand what each tool is used for and begin practicing regularly so your workflow becomes more efficient over time. Once you have the basics, choose a design niche. You might focus on social media graphics, branding and logos, marketing materials, presentation design, UI and UX design, or print design. Picking a niche can help you position yourself more clearly when applying for jobs, especially if you are just starting out. After that, create a portfolio with your best work. Aim for around 6 to 10 strong examples instead of including too many average pieces. If you are a fresher or do not have client work yet, create sample projects. For example, you can redesign a fictional brand logo, build a social media campaign, or design a promotional poster. This shows employers what you can do, even without formal experience. Then set up your online portfolio using platforms like Behance, Adobe Portfolio, Dribbble, or your own website. Make sure your work is easy to view and organized clearly. At the same time, create a professional resume that highlights your design skills, software knowledge, education, certifications, projects, and any relevant experience. Also build a professional LinkedIn profile, add your portfolio link, and clearly mention the type of graphic design role you are looking for. When you are ready to start job hunting, search for titles such as junior graphic designer, social media designer, marketing designer, visual designer, or production artist. Apply on multiple platforms, including JobStreet, LinkedIn, Indeed, company career pages, and freelance sites like Upwork. As you apply, customize each application. Adjust your resume and portfolio based on the company's industry and the specific job description. You should also prepare for portfolio reviews by practicing how to explain your design decisions, your process, and the problem each project was solving. Some employers may also give design tests, so practice short sample assignments in advance. Finally, network with other designers, join design communities, attend online events, and connect with recruiters and creative professionals. Keep improving your portfolio by removing weaker work and replacing it with better projects. Most importantly, apply consistently, track your applications, and continue building your skills while searching. If you have little professional experience, remember that a strong portfolio can speak louder than simply saying, you know, design.